This printer is Brother DCP-L2620DW. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan with this printer. What we want to do is to set this printer up, set country, then you press OK. Then you select your country, then you select OK, or use up arrow button or down arrow button to select your country, then you select OK. Then it will ask you, have you set your country? Then use confirm yes, or use down arrow to confirm no. So we're going to confirm, and it will show you accepted. Then it will tell you, please wait. Now it's showing us no toner. Now what we want to do is to install the toner. Then what you need to do is open up this cover. Once you open up the cover, this is the toner. This is the toner. So you remove this plastic. If you want to remove it completely, press this to remove the toner. Then you go in. So this is how to put the toner. So make sure this goes to the side. So you just need to find the pattern to go in, then close the cover. Please wait. Sort copies 100% auto. So this is how to load the toner. We're going to load the paper tray. So open up. So this is A4 paper. Then you go in, change to A1 paper. Then you select yes, paper type, select OK, plain paper. Paper type, plain paper accepted. Then you go back. So this is how to load the toner and also load the paper. Thank you very much indeed.